Hormonal Balance 101. How to naturally regulate your hormones for better health. Welcome to Women Health and Diet, your trusted source for empowering wellness insights. Have you ever felt like something is off in your body? Maybe you're struggling with low energy, mood swings, or unexplained weight gain. The truth is, hormones control almost every function in your body, from metabolism and sleep to emotions and reproductive health. Yet, many women experience hormonal imbalances without realizing the root cause. In today's video, we'll explore what hormones do, how they become unbalanced, and, most importantly, how you can naturally restore balance for a healthier, happier life. Let's dive in, understanding hormonal imbalance. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel through the bloodstream, regulating every system in your body. When balanced, they keep you feeling energized, emotionally stable, and physically well. But when they are out of sync, you may experience unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight, fatigue, brain fog, or low energy, mood swings, anxiety or depression, irregular periods or painful cramps, poor sleep or difficulty falling asleep, constant sugar cravings or sudden changes in appetite, skin issues such as acne, dryness, or excessive oil production. There are many causes of hormonal imbalance, including chronic stress. Excess cortisol production can disrupt other hormones, leading to weight gain, anxiety, and fatigue. Poor diet, too much sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can throw insulin, estrogen, and thyroid hormones out of balance. Lack of sleep. Sleep is crucial for hormone regulation. Poor sleep quality can lead to high cortisol and imbalanced melatonin levels. Environmental toxins, chemicals in plastics, cosmetics, and household products can act as endocrine disruptors, mimicking or interfering with natural hormones. Sedentary lifestyle. A lack of movement can slow metabolism and affect the balance of hormones like insulin and thyroid hormones. Fortunately, by making intentional lifestyle changes, you can restore hormonal balance naturally. The role of diet in hormonal balance. Food is one of the most powerful tools for balancing hormones naturally. Here are the top hormone-supporting foods to include in your diet. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, and coconut oil support hormone production, particularly estrogen and progesterone. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, omega-3s help reduce inflammation and support brain function. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts help detoxify excess estrogen, promoting a healthy balance. High-fiber foods, oats, quinoa, lentils, and flax seeds aid in hormone detoxification and support gut health. Protein-rich foods, eggs, lean meats, and plant-based proteins like chickpeas help regulate insulin and blood sugar levels. Herbal teas. Spearmint tea is excellent for regulating estrogen, while ashwagandha helps lower cortisol levels. At the same time, avoid hormone-disrupting foods such as excess sugar and refined carbs, which cause insulin spikes and energy crashes. Processed foods that contain artificial additives and preservatives. Caffeine and alcohol, which can overstimulate cortisol and disrupt sleep. Making small, mindful adjustments to your diet can have a big impact on your overall hormonal health. Lifestyle habits that balance hormones. Beyond diet, daily habits play a critical role in hormonal balance. Here are the most important lifestyle adjustments. Reduce stress. Chronic stress causes elevated cortisol, which disrupts insulin, estrogen, and progesterone levels. Try deep breathing exercises, journaling, or engaging in relaxing activities. Prioritize sleep. Your body repairs and balances hormones during sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Exercise. Smartly, over-exercising can spike cortisol, while no exercise can slow metabolism. Find a balance with strength training, yoga, and brisk walks. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and supports the liver in hormone regulation. Get sunlight exposure. Vitamin D plays a key role in hormonal health, so spend at least 15 minutes in natural sunlight each day. Environmental factors that affect hormones. Your environment can significantly impact your hormonal health. Common endocrine disruptors include plastics and BPA. Found in plastic containers and water bottles, BPA mimics estrogen and can lead to imbalances. Chemical-based skincare. Many beauty products contain parabens and synthetic fragrances that interfere with hormones. Switching to organic and fragrance-free options can help. Household cleaning products. Many cleaning supplies contain toxins that disrupt hormones. Choosing eco-friendly, natural alternatives is a better option. Making conscious changes in your environment can protect your hormonal health in the long run. Simple daily hacks for long-term balance. Here are some simple habits to maintain hormonal balance effortlessly. Start your day with a hormone-balancing smoothie packed with greens and protein. Keep a health journal to track your cycle, energy levels, and mood changes. Take a short walk outdoors daily to reduce cortisol and regulate insulin. Establish a nighttime routine to improve sleep and melatonin production. By making these small adjustments consistently, you can reset your hormones naturally and feel your best. Your hormones don't have to control your life. With the right nutrition, stress management, and lifestyle choices, you can take control of your health and well-being. What change will you make first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Women Health and Diet for more wellness insights. See you in the next video.